Today we're headed to Boulder City, guys. Boulder City's 26 miles southeast of Las Vegas. It got its name from Boulder Canyon. Now, Boulder City is one of two places in Nevada where gambling is illegal. The other is Panica. Its sole reason for existence is due to the need to house workers who were building the Hoover Dam. It was built in 1931 by the Bureau of Reclamation. It's a very rare example of a town that was fully planned under government supervision. So our plan is to explore Hemingway Park because we hear there are bighorn sheep there. We might also check out the Hoover Dam while we're down there. Let's head out and get this adventure started, shall we? All right, so here we are. We finally made it to Hemingway Park. It's beautiful out here. You can see Lake Mead off in the distance, but no sheep today. So we'll keep on our adventure. We'll see what we find. Hey guys, so we just showed you the park. You saw the lake. We're down here by Lake Mead. And now we're about to enter Boulder City, home of Hoover Dam. Now, we didn't get to see any sheep yet. I don't think we're gonna see any sheep today because they're playing hide and seek. So we're gonna go into the town, gonna experience the historic street there, main downtown drag, and just see what we can find out about Boulder City. So far, this place is beautiful. We're surrounded by mountains everywhere. The lake is over here. A lot of nice houses. The houses here are huge. People live nicely here. A lot of mountains, like I said. A lot of hiking trails. One of the things we see here, everywhere we go, there's a trail for this, there's a trail for that. So let's go. Let's head on into Boulder City, historic Boulder City. All right, so it was a long day, but it was a beautiful day. We saw so many fun things. The only thing we didn't get to see was the bighorn sheep because they weren't available today. But it was quite a trip, about 35-40 minute drive with traffic, maybe half hour without traffic, and just beautiful scenery the whole way. And I mean, as you saw, got to go out on the Hoover Dam bridge. Man, was that scary though, because the wind was so strong that I thought I was going to lose my camera over the edge. So that's why there's not as much footage of me walking across the bridge or anything like that. Victoria and I had to go separately because we had the dogs. So she also went up and looked around. And then you saw the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful views of Lake Mead. So if you're coming into Vegas to visit and you have a car with you, this is a place you definitely need to go visit, Boulder City. It's quieter than all the craziness of the Vegas Strip. And you just kind of get away from it all and you realize just how important it is to get out in nature once in a while. And the dogs just loved it. As you can see, they enjoyed exploring. Beautiful, beautiful little city called Boulder City. Has a super small town feel to it. Very, very safe neighborhood. Actually a decent place to live too. So next time you come out here to Vegas, head on out to Boulder City. Tell them What Happens in Vegas sent you. If you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time there's new videos from What Happens in Vegas.